You know, we can't do any wrong. We said we're going to get one these days. You just never know when you get it. So this is a great trade. I mean, you have to have the courage to take this, certainly after this big run. But, you know, this is a viable trade, just as viable as buying and guessing and buying a low. It's a trend trade. So this is where you get lucky if you take that trade. You know, saying I think we can get to the 45s and possibly even the 44s, 43.75. Who knows? You can go to any low on this kind of a day. But you got to step into the trade and, you know, manage your trailer. Once you get down there to your 58.75, then move your stop down. And be careful at the end of the day now for, you know, a minor break that comes back out the top, because traders in the last hour are going to want to take profits. And what do we say our magnet? We've got a magnet back there. Hang on, make sure I don't misspeak to you. 43.75. So this is that 45.75 target we talked about that we thought the boys would try to defend. And how new lows get made step by step. And anybody that's got this target, move your stops down because it's late. And on new lows, you know, take profits. My advice. And on a day like today, we said hit bounces until proven wrong. Still no angel. And I've got 43.75 as a power pivot. And we had potential to get to 45 next and then that 43. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade right here. The guessers guessed wrong. I said we could get down here today. This is, you know, on a any day low day. Okay, you got the 45s. Take something here and really said it all day long. Be careful. But we've had a significant day to the downside. And those who like to guess against a strong trend, you know, once a trend is in motion, why? You know, what do you do? I had 45 as the next target and then the 43. So close enough as far as I'm concerned. Anybody wants to bail out, good time to do it. My guess is we'll get some profit taking for the end of the day. I said earlier, this could be the low of the day. We don't know for sure. But trend traders take one more short. Use the 52s, 54 stop. And it is a great trade. So anybody that's got into the 44s, lock something here for sure. And we can go to any low, but my guess is that 43.75 area is probably going to be the next potential support. Well done. Big yeehaw day. Right in here. So last known support, this right in here, this 42. So I like this target. I think this is a great target. And, you know, Zeke reminded us of the 39 low as the next really big support low. So I'm thinking in here that this is the primary target hit now. And anything beyond this, just extremely good fortune. So all of these longs here were left at the altar. And based on our system, 43 is the next significant number. Right? We did that all day long. We showed you that 43. Yeah, minus 1,000 ticks. So remember we were looking at that 43. I'm using that notion right here now. That's the next big support area. Great trade. And this is why traders get beat, because they try to guess, they guess all day long. Oh, I'm adding. Today was a down day all day long. Beautiful trade. See, the market doesn't have to do what everybody wants it to do. Everybody wants it to, okay, got to have a bounce. Why? We've had all this up. This is a really nice day for the shorts. We said one of these days it's going to come out smoking, and it's not going to turn around. Today was that day. All right, big target is hit. 45, big target. The rest of this is just chump change. One day undoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. And we've got a little bit over half an hour to go. And this is what I mean by any day, low day. This is a picture of power, is it not? I mean, look at the tools that we've got. System works. 43.75 on deck. And I know all those traders have their favorite ideas and numbers from, market profile, but our system works too. And whatever you do, don't mess up a good day now. We got some traders that are in pain today that were buying dips. And simple as this, follow the umbrella trade. All right, half hour to go. Anybody that has had good fortune today, lock it up. Chump change is below. Last significant low, 39. That's support until broken. And if you're buying here, have profits to support this trade now, because 43.75 is our next marker. And today you can go home and hug the wife, hug the dogs, hug the kids. Take your wife out to dinner, buy her flowers. Okay, and that magnet, 43.75, we're one tick away from it, so that's excusable. Done. Done. The boys know where these numbers are. They know just how to catch late Louis. Look at this. It's all about timing. 52 still resistance. And anybody that shorts again, asking for trouble. And if you missed that buy by a tick or two, no worries. In my opinion, this is how traders get caught, waiting till the very last tick or two. I said at the time I'd be very surprised if we got significantly lower. But we did have a magnet at that 43.75, and so here it is. So dynamics line up now. Anything you take short side now is subject to being squeezed. So if you're in the long side, ride it. Try to get to your 51 if you can. If not, no worries. And probably the low is in now for the day. And once we get into the last half hour, then the fight becomes two ways. One, obviously, for taking profits, and the other for the longs who are have to pay up. So you have both going on. And this time it's a good time just to count your chips, relax. I think the day is done. I think the low is in now. And I think probably for now this 52, 53 will hold. And if the low is not in, we can go to any low. But and this is a logical place for this to hold, this 45 area. Right? Here we are. Good deal. Good job today, guys.